Lisa Hawks from Pink Holly Bush Designs. Welcome back to Make Your Daughter a Dress. Today is lesson 12. We are going to sew a tuck hem and finish our dress. There is one more bonus embellishment that will be coming after this lesson if you would like to include it. But today we are going to finish those dresses, and the tuck hem is a very simple and quick way to do that. So let's get sewing. So I'm at my ironing board. I'm pressing my hem up to the wrong side by 4 inches. And I'm starting at the side seams so I can line that seam edge up perfectly. Put another clip here as well. And I'm going to do the same thing at the other side seam. And then work my way around the entire hem, making sure that I'm folding up that 4 inches. I'm pressing and clipping or pinning it in place. Okay. After I've folded up the hem once, I've now folded it up again another 4 inches, starting again at the side seams so I can match those up perfectly. Yeah, it is. You'll notice I'm doing that size 3, and because of that, this hem is coming right up against the pocket. That's okay. Most of this is going to get turned down in a minute, so don't get nervous about that. The other thing to notice is where this top edge is, there's no way for me to get this straight, and that's because it's a size 3. If you're making a bigger size, you won't have that same problem. The size 3 is actually the most difficult one to do this on because the distance from the hem to where all this gathered skirt is the shortest. You're not going to be stitching up here. We're going to be stitching 1 inch from this folded edge. So this is where I need it to be able to be smooth. So as long as it's smooth down here, it doesn't matter what's happening up here. I switched to my pins from my clips as I put it up again because I really want to hold that edge up here, and a clip down here isn't going to do that. So go around, keep checking, make sure you've got that 4 inches right up, going straight up towards the waistline, and pin it in place, and then give the edge a nice press. So you know you've got that nice and straight and pressed in and ready to go. And I'll meet you at the machine. I'm at my machine. I've set it up with my all-purpose foot, and I'm just using a regular straight stitch. I've also put a piece of washi tape on my machine, which is exactly 1 inch. Let's put the needle down, I'll show you. 1 inch from that needle when it's down. And I'm just going to stitch with a straight stitch all the way around the skirt, and I'm stitching it 1 inch from that bottom fold. I didn't back tap because I'll come all the way around, and I'll go over a few stitches back and forth when I get all the way around to the other side. Okay, we're back at the ironing board. So as always, you're going to press the tuck flat to meld your stitches, and then you're going to reach under and pull down that hem. Now go around and press just the hem part, and then press the tuck down towards the hem. And you might want to press this from both the right side and the wrong side just to get everything looking really nice. Well, here we are with our finished dress. I hope you can see this hem treatment. The reason I love this treatment, besides how easy it is to sew, is just that it gives this beautiful A-line shape and extra twirly factor to the dress. The weight of the treatment just makes it all stand out a little bit. Congratulations, you have made your daughter a dress. We are finished. I do have one more bonus embellishment that you might want to add that will be coming in the next lesson, but your dress is officially done. So congratulations. Happy sewing.